In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert a raster image like a PNG or JPEG into a fully editable vector inside Affinity. Let's get started. First, select your image on the canvas. In this example, I'm using a PNG file, but this works perfectly with any raster-based graphic, including JPEG files. Once your image is selected, go to the top menu, Vector to Image Trace. This will open the Image Trace panel. The interface is clean and straightforward. You'll see a couple of important sliders. Curve, fitting tolerance, edge threshold. Let's quickly understand what they do. The curve fitting tolerance controls how closely the vector paths follow the original image. Lower values create tighter, more accurate paths, while higher values simplify the shapes. The edge threshold affects how edges are detected and defined during the tracing process. Now here's one of the most useful features, the split preview option. At the bottom of the panel, enable split view. This allows you to compare the original raster image with the traced vector versions side by side. You can click and drag across the image to see the difference clearly. On high-resolution graphics, the changes may look subtle because the source quality is already good. However, if you're tracing a low-resolution image, these adjustments can make a significant impact on the final result. When you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Your raster image is now converted into a vector graphic. By default, the traced result is grouped. If you want to edit individual shapes, you can ungroup it using Command/Control+Shift+G. One of the best things about Affinity's image trace feature is that it preserves the original colors. Now that it's a vector, you can change colors, edit individual shapes, scale without losing quality, refine anchor points if needed. For example, you can quickly select a shape and adjust its fill color to match your design theme. Keep in mind, the quality of your original image plays a major role in the tracing result. And that's how you use the Image Trace feature in Affinity to convert raster images into fully editable vectors. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Affinity and design tutorials.